Sufism and Science. Harmony and seeking truth, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. In our modern world, science and spirituality are often seen as separate, even conflicting domains. Today we explore Sufism and science. But what if I told you that within Sufism, the mystical heart of Islam, there lies a profound harmony with the scientific quest for truth? Harmony in seeking truth, discovering how both paths, different in methodology, ultimately converge in their pursuit of understanding reality and the divine. Join me as we bridge this perceived divide. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the day are signs for those of understanding. This foundational emphasis on empirical observation and the Islamic emphasis on knowledge and observation it sees the outer world as a manifestation of inner realities, a mirror reflecting divine attributes. The Quran is replete with verses encouraging reflection on the natural world. Before diving into Sufism, it's vital to remember that Islam, at its core, is a religion that champions knowledge, ilm, and observation. The heavens and the human self as signs ayat of Allah. There is only one true reality, Allah, and all creation is a manifestation or reflection of that single reality. And the idea that reality might be more fluid and less solid than it appears at the macro level? Intellectual inquiry laid the groundwork for the flourishing of Islamic science during its golden age, where Muslim scholars made groundbreaking contributions in astronomy, medicine, mathematics, and optics. The scientific exploration of these signs is thus seen as a form of worship, a deeper understanding of the Creator's artistry. Sufism's approach to reality, inner and outer worlds and in yourselves, do you not see? Quran 51-21. Just as a scientist dissects and analyzes the external world to understand its laws, Sufism, while focusing on the inner spiritual journey, does not negate the outer world. For Sufis, all of creation, from the smallest atom to the vastest galaxy, is a sign of Allah. The Sufi seeks to understand both the how and the why spirituality of existence, recognizing that both are facets of the same ultimate truth. Both are journeys of discovery. The unity of existence, Wahdat, al-Wujud, and quantum physics parallels. One of the most profound Sufi philosophical concepts is Wahdat al-Wujud, the unity of existence which posits that ultimately, the Sufi understanding of Tawhid, oneness of Allah, and Khalifa stewardship imbues scientific endeavors with a sense of responsibility. While not a scientific theory, some modern thinkers have drawn fascinating parallels between this concept and certain ideas in quantum physics, such as the interconnectedness of particles, the observer effect. While science relies primarily on empirical data and logical deduction, Sufism acknowledges that some truths are perceived through direct spiritual insight. While these are not direct equivalences, they highlight how ancient spiritual insights can resonate with cutting-edge scientific discoveries, pointing towards a deeper, unified understanding of the cosmos, the microcosm and macrocosm, man as a universe. Sufism emphasizes the principle of the microcosm and macrocosm, that the human being in sin is a miniature universe, containing within himself all the realities of the greater cosmos. Together, they offer a holistic path to knowing Allah and His magnificent universe. This encourages both outer scientific exploration and inner spiritual exploration. The Sufi delves into the depths of the self, the heart, the soul, the subtle centers latayif, to discover the divine laws and realities imprinted within. One outward, one inward, both leading to a greater understanding of the divine. The role of intuition and empirical observation. Sufism values both empirical observation and intuitive knowledge, kashf and ilham. However, this intuitive knowledge is not meant to contradict empirical facts, but to complement them, offering a deeper experiential understanding of realities, spiritual dimensions. A Sufi scientist would use both the eye of the intellect and the eye of the heart, recognizing that true wisdom comes from integrating both forms of knowing. Ethical science, the Sufi perspective on responsibility beyond methodology. Sufism offers a crucial ethical framework for scientific pursuit, Knowledge is not pursued for power or exploitation, but for understanding Allah's creation and serving humanity and the environment. A Sufi-inspired approach to science would prioritize ecological balance, social justice, and the well-being of all beings, ensuring that scientific advancement is guided by spiritual wisdom and ethical principles. Two wings of truth. Sufism and science, far from being adversaries, can be seen as two powerful wings that enable humanity to soar towards a comprehensive understanding of truth. Science reveals the intricate how of creation, while Sufism unveils its profound why and its divine essence. Thank you for joining me on this journey exploring the harmony between Sufism and science. If this lecture resonated with your spirit, please like this video, subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed, and share your thoughts on this fascinating intersection in the comments below. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah illuminate your path with both knowledge and wisdom.